thing I want to do, I want to identify this structure here. What's that, Mr. Gilmore? That's the left common carotid. If I can identify the left common carotid, I'm home free. No, it ain't that easy. Yes, it is. Watch this. After I identify the left common carotid, I'm going to identify two other structures. There's one here and there's one here. This one right here that's coming over to the thyroid is called superior thyroid. Just to the opposite of the superior thyroid, there's a muscle, but there's an artery that goes through it. That's going to be called muscularis. So superior thyroid, muscularis. I come up on the what? Left common carotid, and I notice there's one going here. And he's going to the larynx. His name is laryngeal. After the laryngeal, I got another one coming up. He's going toward the tongue. So because I'm going toward the tongue, my name is now lingual. Do that again, Mr. Gilmore. I ain't paying attention really. All right, so let's start over. This fellow right here going toward the thyroid. His name is superior thyroid. From the superior thyroid, the opposite side of it is I'm over a muscle, muscularis. I come up a little bit. Notice I'm going toward the voice box, the larynx. So this name is laryngeal. After I leave the laryngeal, there's another one that comes up going toward the tongue again. That's lingual. After lingual, there's a small section right here that I'm pointing on. His name is external carotid. External carotid. After external carotid, you're going to notice it's going to throw you the peace sign. It's going to split into two. Can everybody see that? So after the external carotid, it's going to be one coming here and one goes there. The one that goes in, I'm going in. The one that's going in, that's going to be internal maxillary. So that means that this one has to be external maxillary. That's correct. But watch what I'm about to do. Coming off the external maxillary, if you can see this, here's the external maxillary, but there's a vessel coming off the external maxillary. Y'all see that? Coming off the external maxillary. Show it to me, Mr. Gilmore. I can't see it. If you look here, if I'm going here, this is the external carotid. I got one going inside as internal maxillary, and I got one here, external maxillary. But there's a vessel that comes off of it. The vessel that comes off of this external maxillary gives rise to another organ that was right here, a little gland called the parotid. So I want you to remember, the parotid comes off of the external maxillary because the internal maxillary went in toward the cheek. Does that make sense? All right. Now watch this right here. Coming off of the external maxillary is one that goes over the mandible, right in front of the masseter. That name is labial. So labial artery comes right off over, and it goes over the mandible. Mr. Gilmore, there's one that's going underneath the mandible. Going underneath, the term sub would mean go underneath. There's a hole in the foramen we used to call the mental foramen. Well, so what we're going to call this artery, Mr. Gilmore? Submental artery. You follow me? So that's all of them. You can stop right there. We're going to